We are going to unbox Healthy Choice 3-liter air fryer by Healthy Choice digital air fryer, and we're going to open the box now slowly, and we have the booklet and I think it's the tray for the button. We'll figure it out later what they are for. Oh, shiny.
It's like minion, but yeah, no.
It's shiny. Put it on a table. It's shiny. And this is only 3-liter.
That's how do you open it?
I don't know. Where's the front? The front is
In
here,
front,
right?
Yeah.
And how do you open it? Huh? You need to press or what?
Yeah.
Skip.
Oh, maybe they will put something. Yeah. Oh yeah, look.
Apa? Oh. There's a sticker.
Yes, of course.
Just put it there. And another sticker.
Like that.
Datar aja. And
Ta-da.
that's 3-liter. Actually, it's pretty big, bigger than I
I
thought.
think this one for this one, right?
I'm not sure. Just go get the booklet. Just read the booklet.
How do I use this?
Yeah,
Do we have
I
to
think
put on the
3-liter enough for 2 people. And
just
some
read
fries.
the book then.
and
Recipe.
read the instruction for the recipe. What can you make with this thing? We'll figure it out later. And the price is only $35 actually, Australian dollars. That's not bad, right? Okay, we'll come back when we do the testing. Bye bye.